Install the laminate roll on the mandrel. Tighten the mandrel. Move the silencer bar into place. Unwind the laminate over the silencer bar. Place the laminate above the two bars. Fold over the end of the laminate. Open the pinch roller and feed the laminate through the rollers. Confirm the laminate is centered on the printed roll. Adjust the position of the laminate roll if necessary. Lower the pinch roller and trim the end of the laminate. Turn on the laminate tension sensor. In the user interface, under Settings, there is a checkbox for lamination. When checked, the lamination out sensor is enabled.